Hi everyone! The basing bits have arrived, and in this episode we're showing you a fun, easy way to paint the Chaos Shards. So come along! Let's grab our Chaos Shards and snip a few pieces off the sprue with some clippers. Then pick your favorite texture paste and spread it onto your bases. We're doing the paste first so you can easily press the beads into it, add a bit of super glue and secure everything in place. When the texture is dry, apply a mix of PVA and water coat. Then scatter dust in small rocks on top to boost the texture and realism. For this painting scheme, we're going for a dual tone look. It might seem tricky, but it's actually very simple, and the base will pop right away. Just hit the base with the blue from one direction, then pink from the opposite. Just like this. With the primers dry, we move on to dry brushing, the stage where details really shine. Start on the blue side with turquoise, pulling from blue toward pink, keeping most of the color on the blue area. To push the highlights even further, add the second dry brush, using a lighter turquoise. You'll see the texture and beads begin to stand out. Now, flip the bases and repeat the process on the pink side. Dry brush a strong pink from pink to blue. Then hit it again with a lighter tone. Remember, with each lighter dry brush, use less paint and focus more on the raised areas to mimic the way light naturally hits. When the bases are dry, apply two washes, purple for the pink side and blue for the blue side. To add a bit of variation, you can even tap a few dots of the blue wash onto the pink side, as if the color from the shards has bled into the ground. If you really want those shards to pop after the wash dries, hit the very tips with one last dry brush. Use a pale color and keep it focused on the parts where the light would strike the most. For the final step of the painting, paint the skull's buff, add a brown wash, let it dry, and finish with the ivory dry brush to bring up the highlights. Now, if you're going for a more eerie vibe, try the green lichen pigment from our Basing Pigments card set. It adds great pop of color while still tying everything together without feeling out of place. Paint the rims black for a crisp finish. We chose tiny alien purple to blend the tones, while the burnt tufts adds shadowy vibes. And then some alien rosettes to bring that extra eye-catching touch that ties it all together. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for our next videos.